Are your contracts void, voidable, or unenforceable? Imagine signing an agreement and later wondering if it really holds up in court. That's a common question in business law. Today, we're going to explore what makes a contract valid or not. A contract is usually valid and enforceable if it has 6 key parts. These are offer, acceptance, mutual understanding, consideration, capacity, and legality. If all these are present, courts will generally enforce the agreement. For example, if someone offers to sell a car for a certain price and the other person agrees, and both are of legal age and the deal is lawful, that's a valid contract. But what happens if one of these parts is missing or wrong? That's when things get interesting. A contract that has no legal effect from the start is called void. This happens if the deal involves illegal activities, like selling drugs, or if one party lacks the legal ability to sign contracts, such as a minor or someone mentally incapacitated. For instance, a contract to commit a crime is automatically void because it's illegal and has no legal power. Next is voidable. This type of contract is valid on the surface but can be canceled by one party. Common reasons include fraud, misrepresentation, duress, or if a minor signed the deal. For example, if someone is pressured into signing a contract, they can choose to cancel it later. The key is that the contract is still valid unless the harmed party decides to void it. Then there's unenforceable. These contracts meet all the basic elements but cannot be enforced in court due to legal technicalities. For example, some agreements like real estate sales or contracts lasting more than a year must be in writing. If they are only spoken, they might be valid but unenforceable. This means if a dispute arises, the court might not uphold the deal. Understanding these differences is important for businesses. A void contract offers no protection at all because it's not a real contract. A voidable contract can be canceled if issues like fraud or coercion are involved. An unenforceable contract might be valid but won't hold up in court if it doesn't meet certain legal rules. To avoid problems, always make sure your contracts clearly state all terms, involve parties with the right legal capacity, and follow any formal rules like writing when required. Be cautious about entering agreements under pressure or with false information, as these can make your contracts voidable. In short, whether your contract is void, voidable, or unenforceable depends on whether it meets the essential legal elements and rules. Properly drafting and reviewing contracts helps protect your business and ensures your agreements are legally binding.